Richards founded Palm Beach Motor Yachts and in 1999 built his first model, the PB-38, which combined the concept of a New England workboat with the styling that became synonymous with old money Yankee yachtsmen. 20 years later, Mark introduced the GT series, and with it came the GT60, a highly refined design intended for the new generation of gentlemen yachtsmen who wanted a sporty vessel that signaled contemporary elegance over a traditional look. The GT60's rounded, fine lines are made possible by CAD/CAM technology and carbon fiber, not available in the old days of plywood tooling and woven roving. She looks fast and is. Let's take a closer look.
Ahoy hoy, I am Captain Boomies with Boat Test, and I'm standing right now on a Palm Beach GT60. I'm so excited to take you on this walkthrough. This is styling to the extreme. They said to me that the goal was to appeal to a younger market, and I think that they have done it with the chicness of this look, while also maintaining the kind of lines that little boat captains dream of. There's something very appealing to me about not having rails. It seems a little dangerous, it seems a little risky, but it's a style choice that you get to make with a Palm Beach. This sun pad is a choice as well. I think it's kind of on the small side for me. I would have wanted a lot more of this area taken up with sunning and relaxing. But I'm obsessed with this windscreen. It is beautiful. It's one solid rounded piece of glass, and it's given me all the styling feels. Way up here, they've set the windlass down into this pocket that's fully finished with immaculate paint. You have your up, your down, and I like that they're in the direction that the chain will flow. Everything that's the deck up is carbon fiber. So this hatch is light and fully finished. Now let's head towards the cockpit. I want to stop right here and show you that every one of these joints is immaculate. There's no sagging, there's no puddling, smooth and expertly crafted. When I talk about the quality of Palm Beach, I almost feel like the best way to explain it is this inlay. The story of Palm Beach is the story of its CEO, who's a proper yachtsman. And that means he's very meticulous. So meticulous that apparently they call him Hoover at the factory because he insists that every person working is followed by somebody with a vacuum cleaner. Here at the stern, we have a classic entertaining space, dining area, summer kitchen back here with your sinks, your refrigeration, and lots of storage space. Latches tell me a lot about a boat, and that's a good one. Oof. And I'm delighted by this styling. This shape is so unusual, but very appealing to me. Let's head on in. This dark wood with the immaculate, pristine white upholstery is absolutely striking. This floor is real teak, but again, these are all customizable options for you. Palm Beach will do what you want. Some of the details you'll notice in here are these overhead handrails, the recessed lighting, this window that drops down. But what I want to pay attention to is the fact that all of these furniture pieces are integrated into the hull. They're not dropped in after the fact. They are built and then the veneers are put on them. So they're actually part of the stability, the structure, the things that make this hull efficient and fast. This helm is unique as well. When I step up here, I never can bump my head on a helm. This is interesting. But if I take my seat here,
I have incredible visibility. This is perfect for my eye line. I do worry that if you were on the taller side, this might not be a great spot for you. But again, customization is the name of the game. You get to decide what this all looks like. I like that this is one of the only places that you do see the carbon fiber, but this is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. Lightness, efficiency, the best materials. That's what Palm Beach is doing. And look, this slides back and you can have your sky view right here. Let's head on down to the cabins. Ooh, that just feels nice. This galley is also a customization choice. One of the other owners decided that they were going to make it a much bigger galley because they travel with a full-time chef. This version, we do have a inlaid electric cooktop, a convection oven and microwave, deep sink, and plenty of storage space with our refrigeration over here. Now I said cabins. Let's check these out. The first on the starboard side is a master cabin. I have lots of room standing here. Getting in and out of this bed would be easy. But then I also have some storage. I've got under bed storage, dressers, a hanging locker. This little vanity over here, a 50-inch TV. Now let's talk about the head. If I close these doors, now I have a decent sized shower, and I'm guessing that's, what, another maybe foot above my 5'6". That's pretty good. But my favorite part is this toilet, and specifically this wood toilet seat. Are you kidding me? This is the most elegant toilet I've ever seen on a boat. Now let's head to the other cabin. Again, these are all customization options. This just happens to be one of the more popular layouts. It's a V cabin, so you do have to do the little step up on the side. And now I am losing a little bit of maneuverability room, but it's not uncomfortable. There is no window, and that's because you can't compromise on the hull shape with this boat in particular. Inside here is the day head, another full shower, sink, and that beautiful, beautiful head. I didn't believe them when they told me that there is a garage and a dinghy here, and then I spotted my favorite detail. This hinge here is what bends backwards so that you never have to see the mechanical ugliness. I'm having such a great time at the Palm Beach Boat Show, but this Palm Beach GT60 is special. And I know I talked about customizations, but you can even customize what propulsion system she has. They do it with jet, they do it with IPS, they do it with straight shafts, they even do outboards. You get to pick, but it all is based on this platform. Thank you so much for watching my walkthrough of the GT60 by Palm Beach. I am Captain Boomies, reminding you, life is better on a boat. I really want to test this one. Can we take her out? Just a little out.